The next feature is Farm Voice. Click here on the Farm Voice icon. Share success stories, ask questions, and learn about new products and techniques through Farm Voice. Here you can chat with other farmers from across India and even AgriCentral experts to resolve your queries. Here you will see posts written by other farmers. You can scroll down to view more posts. You will also see the number of likes or comments a post has received. Click on a post to read it completely, like this. The picture in this post is like a problem I have had in my field before. I can tell this farmer that this could be rust. Let me comment. Oh, see this farmer. He has such a nice crop of onions. Let me congratulate him. I will first click like. I can also click on share here and share this update with my friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Now let us post something on Farm Voice. Click on start writing here. For example, I'm going to write about my potato crop. I want advice on color change in the leaves. I will write, is this okay? Has anyone else seen this on potato crop? Now choose the topic. You can either select general discussion, or if it is about a specific crop, select that. I am selecting potato. I will also add a photo to this message. I'll click on attach a photo and click a picture of the problem using my camera, or select a picture from my gallery. The gallery option is useful if there is no internet near your farm. You can take a photo and upload it later when you get internet. Now I will click on post. You will now see that the AgriCentral expert and other farmers will give you suggestions. You can track these in my posts. If you see any inappropriate posts or comments, you can inform us about these by clicking on the small red flag and choosing the right option. Clicking on the filter post icon here lets you see topics of your interest and the most popular or latest posts in that topic. See, like this. Isn't this just awesome? Come, participate in the Farm Voice community.